Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to install N8N on a Railway. Now, you can either use a pre-configured template or a custom deployment. And if you're using a pre-configured template, this will offer you a simple one-click deployment. If you use a custom deployment, it'll give you greater flexibility and control. And after your deployment, you can actually access the N8N web UI using the public network URL. It'll be provided by Railway. But before we get into that, to use a pre-configured template, you need to first find a template. Okay, you can just go ahead and go to Railway, search for N8N in the template marketplace to find options. For example, deploy N8N, okay, or deploy N8N for the AI Starter Kit, and then just click on the deploy button on the template page, and you follow the prompts. And once you deployed it, you can access the UI by opening the primary node or instance, and you just navigate to the settings. Find the public networking URL and you can use it to access the N8N web UI. Okay. Now, to do a custom deployment, you can create a new project, for example, on Railway, then add a service, typically, for example, Docker service. You need to configure it. So the image, you basically use the official N8N Docker image, for example. This is the one you can use. And for the environment variables, you need to define necessary environment variables. For example, this one right here, okay, for the encryption key, for the host, and the protocol. And then just go ahead and configure the public network for the service. And then you can deploy the service and access the N8N UI using the public networking URL. And it's really that easy and simple. If you found it helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.